We start school in just a few days, so I'm going to make some cute little backpack rocks that I can hide around Sammy's elementary school the night before the first day of school. I'm starting out by creating kind of a rounded rectangle with my soapstone pencil, and it's got two little rectangles on the side and then a loop for the top of the backpack, and I'm going to fill it in with Liquitex gesso to give a nice base coat and allow the colors that I choose to really have a nice solid opaque coverage. If you're new here and you've never heard my spiel about Liquitex gesso, it really helps with colors that are tricky for getting solid coverage like yellows and reds, and it gives kind of a grip to a rock so that the paint has something to adhere to. So it's just kind of a handy tool. It gives a good base coat. So now I'm going to take this nice light aqua color and I'm going to fill in the main part of the backpack. Now I'm going to take this Caribbean color, which is kind of a darker turquoise, and I'm going to fill in the side pockets of the backpack and also the loop at the top. And this one's a little bit old, needs a lot of coverage, so that gesso is coming in really handy in helping me get a nice solid coverage and for the color to pop. I'm not going to lie, this school year is causing me a little bit of anxiety because our twins are heading into their senior year. And it just feels like it went by so fast, and we're going to blink and it's going to be over. And to make it even harder, there's two of them at once. Like, that feels sort of unfair that I have to do this with two kids at once. But I'm so proud of who they've become and where they're headed. And so I'm just going to try and soak up all of the moments, be at all of the events, and just enjoy all of it with them. I'm also adding some extra coats of paint here just to make sure I have solid coverage, and also using a disposable eyeliner brush to make sure the edges are clean around the pockets and around the loop on top of the backpack. Those brushes are just so handy for getting really fine lines, and they're so affordable. Taking that darker turquoise paint, I'm going to make a rectangle sort of in the lower center of the backpack, and that's going to be a pocket that we're going to decorate. Now I'm just going to add some design elements. So I'm going to take a dotting tool and create some hearts by doing a dot and drag. And I'm going to kind of make them right side up, upside down, kind of offset from each other, and just fill in the whole back part that's light on the backpack. Now I want to make some nice crisp lines around the entire design, so I'm taking a Thule Art paint pen that's a fine tip, and I'm going to outline the entire design. So all the way around all the pockets, the entire backpack, the loop, and then the pocket in the middle, and then I'm going to add some cute little stitches to the pocket. Now I'm going to take a Posca PC1MR paint pen because I like writing with these better, and I'm just going to write "You Rock" in the middle of the pocket. And remember, I want to leave some of these at the elementary school before the first day of school, so I'm going to make a bunch of different designs and colors. So this one's blue, and I'm adding some little yellow lightning bolts to it, kind of a fun design, more designed towards maybe a boy who might find it. And then I'm going to add some polka dots to this purple design. Very simple, very easy, just kind of some contrasting color. It's the same color, but it's a contrasting lighter and darker version. Then I've got some fun lime green and bright pink with some hearts, as well as orange and pink, which is a fun contrasting color, and some more polka dots. I don't know where the summer has gone, and I know we're starting school a little bit sooner than some of you, but I really enjoy leaving these around before the first day of school for the kiddos. I hope it's given you a little bit of inspiration for a fun idea, and I appreciate you stopping by to watch. Take care, and I'll see you next time.